Kenneth Johnson stood in court, hand shaking, barely 19 years old. The judge looked down at him and asked, "Are you ready to defend yourself?" He didn't understand. He thought he was going to meet his lawyer that day, but there was no lawyer, and yet they sentenced him to death. Kenneth grew up in poverty in a small town in Mississippi. His mom worked 2 jobs. His dad wasn't around. He was smart but quiet, always trying to stay out of trouble. Then one night, a local shopkeeper was found murdered behind his store. Kenneth had walked by earlier that day. That's all it took. The police arrested him based on a vague description. No fingerprints, no DNA, no witnesses placing him at the scene. Still, they charged him with murder. When Kenneth begged for a lawyer, he was told the public defender's office was overloaded. Instead, the court pushed forward. He would represent himself. He stood in trial alone, up against a district attorney with 20 years of experience. He didn't know how to object. He didn't understand jury selection. When the prosecution twisted facts, he stayed silent because he didn't know he could fight back. The trial lasted just 2 days. The jury was told he never even denied it. They believed it. After 3 hours, the verdict came in. Guilty. Death by lethal injection. Kenneth was transferred to death row, where he sat for 16 years. During that time, he filed appeals by hand, writing letters to anyone who might help. Most were never answered. It wasn't until a law student stumbled across his case during research that things began to change. She flagged the trial. No legal counsel in a capital case. She brought it to her professor, who alerted a nonprofit law group. They uncovered serious misconduct. The original prosecutors had failed to turn over key evidence, a video that showed Kenneth at a different location minutes before the murder had gone missing. Witnesses who said Kenneth was innocent were never contacted. Finally, after 16 years, his conviction was overturned. But no apology came. No one was punished. The judge retired. The prosecutor continued his career. Kenneth now speaks about wrongful convictions, but he still lives in fear. If they did it once, he says, what's to stop them from doing it again? How many more Kenneths are sitting in silence right now, waiting to be heard your opinion in the comment section?